Hello students, welcome to my class. Today we are going to discuss few questions related to JEE Advanced Exam Pattern and the topic is here polymer. So let's start the question answer round. My first question is, check it out, that is, which of the following is a biodegradable polymer? Now which one? As I told you, polythene, polyvinyl chloride, nylon 6, these all are synthetic polymer. But if I talk about cellulose, that is a natural polymer, and we all know natural polymer are easily biodegradable. So for this case, which one? This is the cellulose. For question number 1, we people can say cellulose is the correct option. That is, A is the correct option. Clear to you? Now let's move to the next pattern, next question. What will happen? Check it out. Now question number 2. Read the question carefully. I have introduced a sample question, numerical problem in this topic. That is, in a polymer sample given here, 30% of molecules have a molecular mass 20,000, 40% have 30,000 and the rest 60,000. What is the weight average molecular mass of the polymer? Clear? This is the complete calculation based, that is, wait for a moment, that is, weight average will be equal to summation NI square upon summation Ni into Mi. Clear to you? Now what is Ni? Put here, N is 30%, first case, 30 into Mi here is 20,000, put here 20,000 square. Yes, the second one is 40%, that is 40 multiply, this one is 30,000 square. Yes sir, plus rest, that is 30 plus 40, 70, the remaining is also 30. So put here 30 multiply by 60,000 square. Clear to you? Total 30 plus 40, 70, 100 minus 70 is equal to 30. So rest one is 30%. Now upon, that is 30 into 20,000, yes sir, clear to you, 30 into 20,000 plus 40 into 30,000, yes sir, plus 30 into 60,000, clear to you, 30 into 60,000. If we solve this complete form, then what we get? The value is around 43,000, that is 43,333. This is the question. Wait for a moment. So this is the formula for such kind of questions. If you remember this formula, then you can easily solve such kind of questions. Am I right? Now put this value, what we get? The value is around, when we solve this question, this is a simple calculation, you can easily solve such kind of question. Then after solving, what we get? We get the value is around 43,333. So I am moving here for question number 2. We people can say C is the correct option. So I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one. Now friend, let's move to the next segment. Now, which of the following is not a correct match? Check it out. Teflon, tetrafluoroethylene, yes sir, this one is a correct option. Buna as styrene 1,3-butadiene, yes, correct, styrene and 1,3-butadiene, yes. Thiocol, ethylene dichloride and sodium tetrasulfide, these are the monomeric unit. But if I talk about Pierce glass, that is methyl metaacrylate is not a correct combination. So for this question, what will be the correct option? Sir, it is very, very simple. For this question, B is the correct option. Clear to you? Now I am going to rub this part and we'll move towards the next segment. Wait for a moment, friend. Now the next one is question number 4. The straight chain polymer is formed by hydrolysis of CS3 SiCl3 followed by condensation polymer. No, this one is not a correct. Check it out. If there is a 3-degree straight chain polymer forms hydrolysis, remember this, during my lecture I will also discuss CS3 whole thrice SiCl. This is the component. Hydrolysis of CS3 whole thrice SiCl followed by condensation polymer. What is condensation polymerization? The type of polymerization in which there is a removal of a small molecule take place. Sometimes it is H2O, sometimes CO2, etc. So for this question, we can easily observe, we can easily predict that is D is the correct option. That is hydrolysis of CS3 whole thrice SiCl followed by condensation polymerization. So for question number 4, D is the correct option. Clear to you? Now I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next one. Wait for a moment. Now let's move to the question number 5. Transform of poly. As we know, natural rubber is a cis isoprene, cis form, but transform of polyisoprene is, that is gutta percha. This is completely theory based question, that is gutta percha. So for question number 5, we can easily observe, we can easily say that is A is the correct option. Now let's move to the next question. What will happen? Check it out. What is the next question? That is wash and wear cloths are manufactured by using, that is height resistant tendency, crease resistant, that is trilene, which is also known as Dacron. This is as I told you earlier, this topic is completely theory based. You do not need to use your brain. You just follow the small tips, small theory, the complete prepare a table, then definitely you can solve such kind of question. Very simple, direct question, completely theory based. So for this question, that is C is the correct option. So question number 6, that is C is the correct option. Clear to you? Now let's move to the next segment, that is the question number 7, high density polythene. As we know, there are two type of polythene, low density polythene and high density polythene. High density polythene can be prepared from ethylene by using, there are two type, low density and high density. During my theory lecture I have discussed, if there is a presence of TiCl4 plus C2H5 whole thrice Al, then we get the high density polythene from ethylene, from ethene. Ethene, what is ethene? It's very simple, CH2 double bond CH2, it gives polythene high density, that is by using TiCl4 plus C2H5 whole thrice Al, and this one is known as, remember this, Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Clear to you? So for question number 7, we people can say that is A is the correct option. Again I am repeating, for question number 7, A is the correct option, Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Now friend, I am going to rub this part and we'll discuss the next question. Wait for a moment. What I am telling, listen carefully. Now Question number 8. The Ziegler-Natta catalyst. Read the question carefully. What is given here? The Ziegler-Natta catalyst are stereospecific, non-metallic complexes, gaseous catalyst, and universal in all polymerization reaction. Remember what will happen? Sir, this is Ziegler-Natta catalyst are stereospecific in nature. That is A option. For question number 8, we can say that is A is the correct option. I am going to drop this part and we'll discuss the next one. Wait for a moment for question number 9. Now, I am leaving this question for you. Check it out what will happen in this case. Silk, the monomer is for insulin, for Orlon, this one is Orlon, and for nylon 6. That is, this one is nylon 2, nylon 6. As we know, for silk, that is the alpha amino acid. For A, this one is the option. And in insulin, we all know in insulin there is glucose. This is the correct option. And for Orlon, that is acrylonitrile. Remember this. What is acrylonitrile? So CH2 double bond CH CN. This one is acrylonitrile. So for Orlon, that is, this is the correct option. And for nylon 2 and nylon 6, which is the correct option? That is caproic acid. Now check it out what which one is the correct option for this question. That is for A, that is 4, yes. For B, this one is 1, okay. For C, that is 2, okay. For D, that is 3. So for this question, that is B is the correct option. What I am telling for question number 9, that is complete one, is for silk, that is alpha amino acid. For insulin, this one is glucose. For Orlon, that is acrylonitrile. And nylon 2, nylon 6, that is caproic acid. So for question number 9, what is the correct option? That is B is the correct option. I am going to drop this part and we will discuss the next one. What is the next one? Check it out for question number 10. Acrylion is a hard, horny and high melting material. Which of the following is represent its structure? Tell me what will be the correct option for this question. Think on it, friend. I am giving you few seconds. So what is the correct option? What is the repeating unit? So it is very simple. The repeating unit is CH2CHCN. That is, it comes from CH2, clear, CHCN. Okay. Now what will happen? That is, the repeating unit is CH2, that is CH, then CN, so on. Clear? So we people can say for question number 10, that is A is the correct option. Clear to you? What I am telling? For question number 10, A is the correct option. Clear? I think the questions are not so much tough, and in JEE Advanced there is very less probability of a question from this chapter. Is very few, but still we have to practice such things. So now we'll revise the things and what will happen, check it out. Now what is given here? Which of the following is a biodegradable polymer? As I told you, generally natural polymer are biodegradable in nature. So for question number 1, cellulose is the correct option. Clear? Now let's move to the question number 2. As I told you, this is a calculative type question. What is the formula? Summation NiMi square upon summation NiMi. After solving, what is the answer in this case? For question number 2, C is the correct option, 43,333. Clear? Now let's move to the question number 3. Which one of the following is the correct match? That is Teflon, tetrafluoroethylene, Buna-S, styrene and butadiene, thiocol, ethylene dichloride and sodium tetrasulfide. But B is a wrong match. So for question number 3, B is the correct option. Clear? Now let's move to the next one. The straight chain polymer is formed by the hydrolysis of CS3 whole thrice SiCl followed by condensation polymerization. That is D is the correct option. Now let's move to the question number 5. Transform of polyisoprene. Yes sir, the transform of polyisoprene is gutta-percha. That is A. For question number 5, A is the correct option. Now for question number 6, wash and wear cloths are manufactured by using trilene fiber. That is C is the correct option. Now for question number 7, what is given here? High density polythene can be prepared from ethylene by using a stereospecific catalyst, and this stereospecific catalyst is nothing but a Ziegler-Natta catalyst. So for question number 7, A is the correct option. Now for question number 8, the Ziegler-Natta catalysts are stereospecific in nature. That is A is the correct option. Clear? Now let's move to the question number 9. What will happen? Check it out. Silk, that is alpha amino acid, insulin, glucose, orlon, that is acrylonitrile, and nylon 6, that is caproic acid. Nylon 2, nylon 6 I am mentioning here. So for question number 9, B is the correct option. For question number 10, acrylion is a hard Hornian high melting metal. Which one of the following represent is a structure? So A is the correct option. For question number 10, A is the correct option. I think now you can easily solve such kind of question. I am not getting more time, so otherwise you will be bored. So friend, time is calling, time to say bye bye. Thank you so much.